Right now, faculty across higher education are exhausted. They are caught in an endless game of cat and mouse, running student essays through detection software to catch artificial intelligence. Taking a defensive, policing posture against an exponentially evolving technology is a mathematical certainty for failure. The machines will always get faster and harder to detect. But focusing solely on cheating avoids an uncomfortable truth. AI is exposing a structural failure in classroom design. If a student can complete an assignment by pressing a single button, that assignment was only measuring passive information retrieval. The professor's role as a transmitter of facts has given way to a requirement for active inquiry, forcing a change in how we define a classroom. This animated diagram illustrates the necessary shift. To stay relevant, educators must dissolve that top-down structure and adopt a new identity: the learning architect. An architect steps away from simple content delivery. Instead, they design immersive environments built for active inquiry. In this model, learning architects weave AI into the curriculum as a cognitive collaborator, using it to facilitate the investigations that used to be dry lectures. By treating the classroom as an active laboratory, a learning architect uses AI to force students into complex, critical thinking, the exact kind of reasoning a machine struggles to replicate. Building this environment begins with the art of the challenge, or prompt engineering. One method involves designing interactive historical personas. Instead of reading a static textbook chapter, students sit down and actively interview an AI simulation of a historical figure or a complex system. This diagram maps the feedback loop, starting with deep subject knowledge. Extracting a specific answer requires the student to ask the right questions. Beyond the prompt, the architect introduces friction via AI hallucinations. The node distorts into an error, creating a deliberate roadblock. Instead of fearing these mistakes, learning architects weaponize them. They design mandatory fact-checking assignments around the AI's flaws. Students execute lateral research. They take the AI summary and rigorously verify it against primary and secondary sources to catch the machine failing. Navigating this friction builds a critical eye. It trains students to value evidence-based reasoning over beautifully written, plausible-sounding prose. The final layer of this design focuses on ensuring intellectual ownership through active synthesis. Architects design a messy feedback loop. They instruct students to use AI for immediate, low-stakes critiques on their early drafts. Outsourcing the correction of basic syntax and formatting creates a massive benefit for the professor. It frees up their schedule to spend one-on-one time providing high-level conceptual coaching. This shifting maze reflects the wicked problems faculty can now generate, case studies that change pathways in real time, adapting to every decision a student makes. These adaptive scenarios force students to take academic theories and apply them to unpredictable real-world situations. The final step in synthesis asks students to convert their research scripts into completely new formats, using AI to generate an audio overview or a video summary of their work. Executing this final step proves the student maintains intellectual ownership. They are leveraging technology to extend the clarity and reach of their original ideas, rather than outsourcing the thinking to an automated ghostwriter. All of this redefines the actual meaning of subject matter expertise in the 2020s. Expertise no longer means holding the largest volume of facts in your head. It means maintaining the sovereignty of thought over all that information. Reaching that goal requires a new social contract between student and teacher. The practice of exclusively grading a polished, perfect final product is finished. This arrangement prioritizes a transparent and rigorous process over a final, static document, valuing the student's ability to iterate and refine their work. By embracing their role as learning architects, faculty graduate thinkers equipped to lead a world where human intelligence and machine power are permanently linked.